Okay, so today is a spa day for the tow truck. We need to go through, we need to grease some stuff, we need to clean some stuff up, fix some things. Yesterday I was on the trail doing a side-by-side recovery and I could hear a squeaking sound when I turned. And I said, you know what that sounds like? That sounds like a front U-joint. I better check that out. And if you see right there that there's absolutely no bearings left on two of the caps, this is definitely a necessary thing to do today. So we're gonna pull the front axles out. So, hiding over here, we have a brand new set of Chrome Moly Revolution axle shafts. I run Revolution gears and axles in everything I've got. Funny story. This will be the first set of new shafts ever put in the front of the Wrecker. I've only ever put spare used ones that we had laying around in the truck. So this is a very necessary upgrade, but we've got a couple loose bolts. Don't worry about that one, it's just for the steering. I don't think there's another vehicle that gets abused like this one does. Got a couple things we got to address and deal with, tighten up. Here we go. We'll bring you guys along as we repair it. Axle shaft taken out. I don't know why it was making squeaky noises. Gotta say something about that U-joint. I mean, that's kind of impressive. But that ear was bent, so that probably wore it out sooner than it should have. And we got all new ones right here going together. Mike is over here clubbing it to death. What do we got? We going together with it? Ooh, look at that.
Look at there. Oh.
Shiny fancy.
Fancy and new?
It's never had new.
I mean, it tends to reject nice things.
It does. It does not like new stuff. All right, here we are. Got new shafts in. New spindle bearing, new seals. Sean is doing new wheel bearings on this side. I fixed the steering bolt. Got that all addressed and done. So a lot of people comment on my steering bolt being too long. I don't know why, but every time I've ever broke a bolt right here, it always breaks right at the thread. So if I put a longer bolt in where it goes through the heim joint and the arm, I've never broken a bolt. Okay, here we are. New axle shafts. New. And I did the crazy thing that Sean was mocking me for. I greased stuff. And then the rear one was showing a little need for grease. And so we got that one all squared and fixed up. Gonna throw some spares in the truck. Rocking the old Neapco super joints. These things are pretty gnarly. Yeah. So here we go. We're heading for Hell's Revenge. There's Sean with me on the camera. Howdy. We're heading up here. Some guy, his pump, not his pump, his rams, hydraulic ram twisted, and it popped the line loose, and he lost all his power steering fluid. He needs some power steering fluid. So for the second day in a row, we're taking power steering fluid to somebody on the trail. Big hot tub's got to have 2 foot of water in it after last night. We shall find out soon. So how much water's in the tub?
This is my maiden voyage with this thing.
Yeah, it's a light.
Oh yeah, there's always stuff to work out.
So we're from Manti. We know Robbie Layton.
Oh,
I know you're
gotcha.
doing a project for him.
Yeah.
You're doing a project, right, for Robbie?
Kinda.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Who's gonna be good back in this up? Yes, please.
Bye-bye now.
See you, bye-bye.
And that's how it's done. That's how the cookie crumbles.
That's how, well, that's how it's done. Slow and controlled is your friend. Throttle and high horsepower is not gonna do anything but get you screwed up. But what do I know? What? What? Don't look at me like that.
Oh yeah. We got called on this.
That's a
But-
good one.
I guess they have their own recovery rig, so they want to come out and recover it themselves. So me and Rory came out and the new Jeep and just testing it out, and might as well come out here and see what's up anyway. So
Dude, I don't know, that's a tough call.
yeah, what would you do?
Honestly, about the only way to do it is to push it over and then have the winch slowly set it onto its wheels. Like maybe, I'm sure we can probably help him because it's going to take two vehicles unless, no, I'd still take two. I mean, to do it right.
So it's actually kind of teetery. You might be able just to hook to it.
Yeah, that's what I was
Shove it.
thinking.
We got their Factor 55 strap.
Oh yeah, strap and check out.
And check it out.
Okay,
Maybe.
you want to jump in the Jeep and just film out the window. Yeah, I want to hug it over, but I also want to like have somebody's foot on the brake. Oh no, Sean, no. No. No.
Why'd you do that?
Did you turn the key back?
No, I didn't touch the key.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no. The key only turns it to unlock it.
Yeah. The steering wheel going down Hell's
So,
Gate.
yeah, go down. It doesn't need a key as long as you don't turn it back that last click. And I may have accidentally turned it back that last click. So now the steering wheel's locked. We can't start it. We can't do anything.
Ignition is out.
Your perseverance and the most random bag of tools ever assembled.
Random bag of tools.
This is Moab Tour Company's recovery rig that they go get all their side-by-sides and stuff with. And this is kind of what I'm loosely basing my 6x off of. It'll be a second set of tires right back here and a little longer bed for the 4-seaters.
Deal just won't be quite as pretty as ours.
No, no it won't. So there we are, we're down off Hell's Revenge. And I'm gonna pull this in the shop, probably fix the ignition issue that it has. But there was definitely a couple things of what not to do on this recovery. Much like standing too close to a winch line. But, you know what? It happens, it does. It happens to everybody. And anybody that, yeah. I was the only one in jeopardy, so that makes it all right. Thanks to Sean for coming out on a Saturday and running the camera. Thanks to you guys for watching.
Bye-bye now.
We want to address some things. We want to talk some discussion. Tow Truck Olympics. So, yeah, Tow Truck Olympics is an event that Matt, with Matt's Off-Road Recovery, is putting on. So we got invited to it. We're super stoked, we're excited. It sounds like a really fun event to go and have some fun at. I hope it's tow truck related. I hope it's like, it's not drag races or popularity contests because we're gonna lose. I hope it's carrying a rig off of a trail because that's what we do. I don't know what the Olympics is gonna entail. We're gonna let our videos speak for us on our resume. We're not building a truck that we hope works. We're taking this, and this is what we're gonna go get. It's just everybody's jumping on the bandwagon of I've got an off-road tow truck. Do you? Do you? This is kind of addressing most of the people talking smack on YouTube about the Tow Truck Olympics and this and that. Anybody that has to tell you how good they are at something usually can't do it. I've had this with tow companies here in town where they have messaged me and explained to me how I don't know a damn thing. They have forgot more than I will ever know about off-road recovery and this and that and this and that. But yet they don't do any of it. We always get the calls for everybody that can't do it or is incapable of doing it. Like I said, we're excited for the Olympics. We're all going.
Yeah.
I don't know a whole lot about what's going on. I don't know when it is. I don't know what it's gonna entail. I don't know anything. Like I watch Matt's videos, so I know as much as you guys do.
Yeah, we don't know anything.
I hope there's badminton and a hot dog eating contest.
You know what we do know? We know that we don't know.
Yeah.
That's what we know. A little thing about the channel. So, spam bots, scammers, I don't know what the hell to call them. They are annoying as crap. So anytime there is a comment in the comment section and it has a picture of our thing, double check what the name is next to it. Because I don't have an account at anything Telegram. There's nothing. It does not exist. I do not have an account. If it does not say Trail Mater exactly like it does in our profile thing, it's not us. I am not giving anything away. You did not win anything. Please, dear God, do not send these very annoying people your money. Please don't, okay? No. If we were giving anything away, we would be doing a video like this and telling you all about it, that we're gonna give it away. They sit there and go that you've won this. All we need is shipping. You just got to pay shipping and it's yours. No, you will never get it. It's not real. Please do not click on it. Please very much.
Please, very much.
Yes.
Don't do it.
No, what he said.
Don't do it. Just don't.
He is the all-wise.
Just don't do it.
Just don't do it. Yes.
Don't do it.
I've seen him. I seen last night that there was one of the scammers was arguing that it was actually me and it was real.
Nope.
Yeah, no, it's very much not. Anyway, thanks.
Peace.
So, what was he gonna say? I had a moment. I had a plan. See, this is why we do one take, because this is the real life. It hasn't spent the last 15 years moving mailboxes, so it's not as cool as some other
Fuckers.
You did most of your recoveries with a winch on the front of the vehicle. Oh my God, how did you do that? I lost my train of thought. It derailed and it crashed.
God.